Welcome everyone to Breaking Free Off Grid. So we have had some broody hens. I just run up here before I'd come outside. Let me start over. Take two. I just got off work, getting ready to come outside and buck up some wood. Came up here to give the chicks their afternoon feed first and checked on the two hens that are brooding. And we have a baby chick. Let me show you. Okay, Mom, I'm going to take your baby. Come here, little baby. Yeah. Little baby chick. How cute are you, huh? You're very, very cute. I have set up our little brooding station in the cabin. I've got some hot water bottles filled up and ready for her. And I'm going to go take her into the cabin and keep her safe from any danger so she doesn't die. And then I'm going to come back. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to candle the rest of the eggs to see how close we are to possibly having some more chicks. So hopefully this little one isn't all by itself, huh? Yeah? I know. I'll protect you, little one. So let's go put this little bird inside the cabin. Alright, so hopefully you can see the little one sleeping. Yeah, I know. They really do love these hot water bottles. It's just like having their mama. Mama's not sitting on them, but it does keep them nice and warm. I know, little one. I took you away from your mama. I'm so sorry. I know. Hopefully we'll get at least one more chick, so this one's not by itself. I know, Mama. So this one is the only one. I know, Mama. This is the only one that I see a lot of dark matter in there. I'm not seeing any veins, so I'm not sure. There's too much light in here. So I think I might wait for tonight. Wait for tonight till later when it's darker and come back. I know, Mama. Got any more? Okay. I'll give you back all your eggs. You're a good mama. Yeah, I haven't made them very happy. So when we do the new chicken coop, which hopefully we're going to be starting here soon, one thing that we are going to do, we originally were going to plan on putting the rabbits in with the chickens because they go hand in hand as far as sheltering. We've decided that we would really like a brooding room. So when we see a hen that's brooding, we can take her and her eggs and move the nest to the brooding room, which will be separated from the other birds. It would also have its own little run, so that way mama and babies can be safe. They'll be separated from everyone else. They'll have their own little run, and the run, of course, will have chicken wire or, you know, the fencing, the regular chicken fencing. So that way the older birds are already getting used to the chicks being around. So it shouldn't be an issue once they're old enough that they can be, what's the word I'm looking for? So they can, so we can put them in with the other birds and they're not going to be attacked. I know, little one. So that's the plan. So the solution of letting hens hatch on the homestead I would rather the hens hatch their own eggs and we don't have to do an incubator, but we need a way to protect them. And so that's our plan, build a brooding room with its own little run for mama and chicks. So that way they're safe and we don't have to worry about them. Oh, I know. So I'm going to close up this little guy. This is how we raised our last chicks, was with the water bottles in this tub, and then we have this rigid styrofoam insulation that we put on the top. That'll help keep the heat in. And then tonight, later today, I will heat up that water in the water bottles again to make sure that this one is nice and warm, and let's keep our fingers crossed that we have another chick. So this one's not all by itself. So, until then, thank you for watching. Have a great day, great night. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep your fingers crossed that we have another chick. Okay, bye.